My dear student, today's topic is also linear equation in one variable, exercise 8b, exercise 8b from R.S. Agarwal. Question number 17. According to the given question, let the base of the triangle is x centimeter. So altitude is 5x by 3 centimeter. So area of the triangle equal to half into base into height equal to half into x into 5x by 3 centimeter square. Now condition is altitude is increased by 4 centimeter and the base is decreased by 2 centimeter. So altitude equal to 5x by 3 original altitude. So now new altitude equal to 5x by 3 plus 4 increased by 4. So 5x by 3 plus 4 centimeter. And base is decreased by 2 centimeter. So base equal to x minus 2 centimeter. So area of the triangle equal to half into base into height equal to half into x minus 2 into 5x by 3 plus 4 centimeter square. So according to the condition, in both the case area are same. So it is 1, it is 2. So according to the given condition, half into base into half into x into 5x by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 2 into 5x by 3 plus 4. So this is a linear equation in one variable. So cancel this half from both sides. Now 5x square by 3 equal to x into multiply these two binomial. So x into this factor minus 2 into this factor. Now it is 5x square by 3 equal to 5x by 3 into x. So 5x square by 3 plus 4x minus 2 into 5x by 3. So 2 5 are 10x by 3 minus into plus minus 2 4 are 8. So from both sides these are the two same term. So cancel this. So 0 equal to LCM of this 1, denominator is 1, 3 and 1. So LCM equal to 3. So 3 4 are 12x minus 10x minus 24. So after simplification x equal to 12. So base equal to base of the triangle is x centimeter equal to 12 centimeter and altitude 5x by 3 centimeter equal to 5 into 12 by 3 centimeter equal to 20 centimeter. Question number 19. Let the speed of the steamer in still water equal to x kilometer per hour. The speed in downstream equal to x plus 1 kilometer per hour. Here speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour. So speed in downstream equal to x plus 1 kilometer per hour and speed in upstream equal to x minus 1 kilometer per hour. So distance covered by the steamer in downstream equal to time into speed. So x 9 into x plus 1 kilometer and distance covered by the steamer in upstream 10 into x minus 1 kilometer. Now both the case distance are same. So according to the condition 9 into x plus 1 equal to 10 into x minus 1. So this is the equation. So this is a linear equation in one variable. So after solving x equal to 19. So speed of the steamer in still water equal to 19 km per hour and distance between two port equal to put this value of x either this expression or this expression. So 10 into x minus 1, this is the distance in kilometer. So 10 into 19 minus 1, so 19 minus 1 18, 18 into 10 180 kilometer. So distance between two port is 180 kilometer. One more, question number 22. Divide 4500 into two parts. Let the first part be x and second part is 4500 minus x. So according to the condition 5% of x equal to 10% of, that means 5% of first part equal to 10% of second part. So 5% means 500 into x equal to 10% means 10 by 100 into second part. So this is a linear equation in one variable. So 5x by 100 equal to 10 into 4500 minus x numerator into numerator by denominator. So cut this 100 denominator. So 5x equal to 4500 into 10. So 45,000 minus 10x. So after simplification, x equal to 3000. So two parts are x and 4500 minus x, that is 3000, and 4500 minus 3000 equal to 3000 and 1500. Next, question number 26. Difference between the age of two cousins is 10 years. It is given. So let the age of elder one is x years. So age of younger one is x minus 10 years. After 15 years ago, age of elder one is x minus 15 years and age of younger one is x minus 10 minus 15 years, that is x minus 25 years. According to the condition, x minus 15 equal to 2 into x minus 25. After simplification, x equal to 35. So present age of elder one is x years equal to 35 years and present age of younger one equal to x minus 10 years equal to 35 minus 10 years equal to 25 years. Thank you.